We ready? Hey, I'm Sophie, and today we're gonna make a really crazy sandwich. So we're gonna make a Francesinha sandwich, which is basically a ham sandwich, a cheese sandwich, a sausage sandwich, times a billion with chips. Let's go do this. No clicking, I hate clicking, it's so cheesy. We're gonna start by making a glaze for our roast beef using the classic combo of beef and mustard. Also got some great quality rapeseed oil going in there, which is a fabulous and underused ingredient. You just want to paint up your beef with all that nice yellow stuff. Don't look at me, I'm all mustardy. Bake them till they're nice and brown. Next, we're going to move on to our sauce for our Francesinha sandwich. We've got more rapeseed oil, and then we're going in with the carrots, the onions, and then we're going to just sweat them off until they get nice and soft and sweet. And then we're going in with the passata, some beef stock, some nice London brewed lager, and some whiskey. In Porto, they sometimes also put in some port or a splash of white wine. We were all thinking it, she's just like Nigella. Then bay leaves, bringing the herbaceousness to my cooking since '93. Now we're just gonna bring that to a boil, slip in your gammon steaks to gently poach in there. Your sauce is gonna be so nice and hammy when it's done. In Porto, they might whack some peri-peri in there, but I'm doing Worcester sauce and Tabasco to give it a bit of heat. You're in for a treat. Then blitz it in your blender until it's all silky smooth. Be careful taking your jug out the blender. You wouldn't want to cause any damage. I told you I was going to hit the camera. Are you okay? I feel like when you're a kid and you hit your sibling and they're crying and you go, you're okay, before your mum comes. You're my mum. On to my favourite ingredient, the sausages. Get the best ones you can afford. I've got some nice Cumberlands. Now we just want to shred up that ham so it's a nice sprinkleable texture. Sprinkleable, is that a word? I feel like you get the idea. We want to sprinkle the ham later. Look at that beef. This is my beef. All right, we ready? Our beef has been chilling out for a while. It's rested, and now it's a perfect temperature to slice it up. I'm only using a small roasting joint here as I'm only making one sandwich. But if you can only find a bigger one, that's fine. You want the base of your bread to be grilled, then layer it up with your sausages, a sprinkle of ham, some slices of your roast beef, and a healthy handful of good quality grated cheddar. Should we cook off all the spare sausages and just have a sausage party? Yeah. Now grill them till your cheese is all melted. I'm proud of my cheese, proud of my babies. So those have come out the grill, look at them, they're all cheesy and delicious. Stack them up. Put another slice of toast on top. Oh, that feels good. Listen to that crunch. Oh, that is an absolutely monstrous sandwich so far. And I'm not even done. And then we're going to put more sliced cheddar on top of there. We want it to flop down the sides a bit. Here he is. Look at that. You want to surround that sandwich with chips, then pour your delicious sauce over the top. It's like the tastiest waterfall you've ever seen. I can see myself demolishing this with my housemates when we're all a bit hungover on a Sunday. Then just chuck a fried egg on top and we're ready to dig in. Oh yeah, lovely gooey yolk, that's what we want. Oh, look at that cross section. Look at all those layers. I get the other one. Try it. Sandwich. Let me get some patrouille.
That's mental.
Isn't it?
The best one.
It's not health food. Bye.